Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Blockdag token. Now this token is live for pre-sale right now, right on their webpage. Ticker symbol is Bdag. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Blockdag is a proof-of-work consensus mechanism that intends to reinvent the cryptosphere with its cutting-edge direct acyclic graph structure. Unlike conventional blockchain technologies, Blockdag prioritizes security and champions an eco-conscious environment, paving the way for sustainable digital transformations. Blockdag differs from its successors based on its exceptional speed and efficiency, with the ability to achieve 10 blocks per second. Blockdag is not just keeping the pace, but it's setting the bar higher, aiming to achieve beyond 30 blocks per second. So Blockdag's Layer 1 technology provides users access to smart contracts, secure mining, and optimized performance. In addition, Blockdag's cryptographic algorithm stands against potential threats, safeguarding transactions and showcasing hash efficiency, and outshines traditional systems like SHA-256. So Blockdag is one of the types that deals with layer 1 blockchain technology, allowing scalable through output and high confirmation speed. With the robust DAG protocol, Blockdag doesn't experience orphan blocks during transactions to its ledger without compromising security. The Blockdag model simplicity makes it user-friendly and provides multiple layers of security that other proof-of-stake coins cannot claim. Blockdag's holistic approach allows parallel processing of transactions, increasing transparency compared to traditional linear models. It's a whole ecosystem of decentralized solutions with higher levels of development to like Solana, BNB, Ripple, etc. So you can find tons of information if you go to wiki.blockdag.network. That's going to take you to tons of info. If you want to join the pre-sale, go to blockdag.network. Over there they have a DAG paper, they have join the pre-sale button, how to buy, they have a roadmap, they have an Instagram, X, Twitter, frequently asked questions. They have 2 different papers, Wiki, Tokenomics Roadmap, Press Kit, blog articles, products, so many different links that you could click on basically, all sorts of different press articles you could check out as well. But basically if you click on the how to buy, that's going to explain exactly how to buy. And you can earn a 10% bonus from all referred investors, it says. So basically it takes you through all the steps like connect your wallet, generate a unique link, and then it has step 1, buy some ETH, BNB, or USDT. Buy Blockdag with either ETH or BNB, it says, or USDT. And then step 3, once the presale has concluded, you'll be airdropped your Blockdag coins. The exact date and time of the airdrop will be revealed closer to the time of the Bdag launch. So then you would follow their socials like the Twitter, Instagram, Telegram that are linked on their webpage. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there so you guys can easily find their Twitter, and it is exactly, let me see if I can find it here now, at Blockdag Network is their Twitter there. So, Blockdag Network, ticker symbol Bdag, fueled by proof-of-work consensus, emerges as a global frontrunner in Layer 1 blockchain, crafted with a laser focus on speed, security, and decentralization. It strikes as a perfect balance between transactional efficiency and democratic governance, eliminating block wastage. Its DAG structure fosters scalability and concurrency, accommodating multiple blocks simultaneously. With its current ability to process 10 blocks per second and ambitions to exceed 30, Blockdag is set to reinvent mining efficiency and consistency. This enhancement in speed holds the potential to empower miners with a good hash rate and consistently mine on one block continuously. So Blockdag solves several key challenges in decentralization networks through its hybrid consensus mechanism, distinguishing it from the other traditional proof-of-work consensus models. The primary problem it deals with is enhancing transaction security and efficiency. So unlike the Nakamoto consensus, which is vulnerable to 51% attacks, Blockdag's DAG technology eliminates orphan blocks and accelerates throughput. Central to its mission is the resolution of the decentralized conundrum underpinning high security and scalability. So Blockdag's primary objective is to resolve the decentralization dilemma while maintaining high security, accessibility, and scalability. The network employs an efficient mining process that is backed by next-generation confirmation mechanisms to validate transactions and ensure that dependence on large mining pools is mitigated. Now, even on their wiki, they have a whole bunch of information about the presale, talking about how they go in different phases and the perks of the presale, basically how you can get it at a cheaper price. They also have a whole section about mining and how to mine Bdag. They have a whole section here about frequently asked questions, all sorts of info on here. They even have the roadmap, tokenomics section. So there's a max total supply of 50 billion tokens. And they have pre-sale allocation, 20% goes to pre-sale, 70% goes to community, and 10% goes to marketing. So besides that, yeah, go check out this project and let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this coin? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. I'm just posting right now 3 different pre-sale videos of 3 different tokens having their pre-sale at this moment. So check out the new videos for today. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.